Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to apply to all in CapCut or how to use apply to all feature easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just head onto your CapCut app onto your device. So once you're already in, it's time to add in the clips that you want to use. So I have different clips already added in here, and if you haven't done so onto your end, just click onto the import option here onto the upper part to browse onto your different files, or you could simply drag and drop it in here. So actually some of the clips that I've used in here are from the stock materials available here on CapCut. So these are actually free to use clips that are offered here on CapCut. So there are paid and there are free. So I'm choosing the free one here. Going back here onto my device imports is you'll just have to click onto the plus blue icon in here to go ahead and add those track here onto the timeline, or just the same thing, you could drag and drop it here onto the timeline. So once you have gone ahead and added all of the clips in here, for example, I want to apply some changes here or some edits onto the first video in here. So let's click on adjustments here. Right after you've clicked the clip, and right after you've clicked onto adjustment, there should be options for you to go ahead and edit this specific clip. Now, once you've clicked onto adjustments, there should be different options in here that you could adjust, such as its temperature, the tint for that, its saturation, and many more. So feel free to go ahead and update the clip that you have onto your end as per your liking. So just gonna go ahead and make some random changes in here that we're gonna go ahead and add on to all of the clips. So as you can see, we have added an adjustment onto this specific clip. Now, right after, if you want to go ahead and apply this to all, we have the apply to all button in here. Click onto that, and you'll just have to wait for this one to be done so that it should be added onto all of the clips. Now, if you play the clips that you have onto your device or onto your timeline, it should go ahead and reflect with the same effects, and that is just how you could do it. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.